Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss understanding quadrilaterals of class 8 mathematics. Exercise 3.1 question number 4 and 5. Let's move to our first question. It is question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. Here figure 1 is a triangle itself, no need of dividing it again. So side is 3 and sum of angle will be 180 degree. That is angle sum property of triangle. Next figure is a quadrilateral. While drawing a diagonal, we get two triangles so that the sum of angles will be 2 into 180 equal to 360 degree. Similarly, if a pentagon can be divided into three triangles, so the angle sum will come 3 into 180. Similarly, a hexagon can be divided into four triangles. That means the number of triangles we are getting is the number of sides minus 2. Hexagon has 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 we are getting 4 triangles. And each triangle, the sum of angles will be 180. So we get 4 into 180 as the sum of angles of a hexagon. Now our question, what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with a number of sides 7, 8, 10 and D? Let's see how to solve. From the above table, we conclude that sum of interior angles of a polygon with n sides equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. First one, a convex polygon has 7 sides. Hence the angle sum equal to 7 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 5 into 180 degree equal to 900 degree. Second, B, a polygon, convex polygon with 8 sides. Then the sum of angles equal to 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 6 into 180 degree equal to 1080 degree. And next C, a convex polygon with 10 sides. Hence the sum of angles equal to 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 8 into 180 degree equal to 1440 degree. And the last one, if a convex polygon has n sides, then the sum of angles equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Next question, question number 5. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. First we can see what is meant by a regular polygon. A polygon whose all sides have equal length and all angles are of equal measure is called a regular polygon. A regular polygon of 3 sides is called an equilateral triangle. A regular polygon of 4 sides is called a square. A regular polygon